In this video, we are going to discuss about the like operators, and the like operators are the operators which are used in SQL and it is used after where clause. Okay, we are using where clause and then after we are using the like operator so that we can search the data of a specific patterns. So what do you mean by the specific pattern? Let's go to my workbench. You can see in my workbench I have some data named employee. So I'm using this database and I'm just selecting the record so that you can get the details of the field here. So I'm writing here select star from EMP, and you are able to get the details of the fields present in that. So I have just taken two fields here, EID and ENAME. So I want to search the records with some specific pattern. So what may be the pattern? Suppose you can see the column of ENAME and you can see that the ENAME are starting from some alphabets like A, B, N, like that. So I want to specify some patterns like that this name should be start from the letter R. So for this type of search, we use like operator. So in order to use like operator, we have a simple commands like simple command, that is after where you will write like. But like operator is used with the help of two wildcards. That is, one is percentage and other is underscore. There are many more wildcards like brackets and many more. But in this video we are discussing about the two wildcards, that is percent and underscore, so that you can understand about the concept of like operator, that how you are going to search the records on the basis of specific pattern. So here right now I am going to search for the ENAME which is starting from R. How can I do? I just like select star from EMP, then where clause I will put, where ENAME. We are searching in the pattern for a column name ENAME, so I will write where ENAME is like. What is like? And after like I will put a colon, then R is the letter which is the first letter followed by percent, then semicolon, and I will put a colon and I will put a semicolon. So you can just see this query very easily, that I have put like operator, that is, this is type of a search. I want to search in the ENAME like. I want that ENAME should be start with R, and R is a letter from which first word of the ENAME is going to be start, and I use percent wildcard from any letter. It may be possible that Rakesh has 6 letters. It may be possible that Vani has 4 letters. So if a word of Rakesh, or I can see another name here Radhika, their word length may be different. One maybe have a 5 words, one maybe have a 6 words. So percentage means that first letter is R, but the letters which are after the first letter may be of any length and of any word between A to Z. It may be of 5 characters, 6 characters, 10, 30, any. Okay, so I just run this query. You can see that we get 2 data, Rakesh and Radhika, and you can see the word length may be different over here. Now I want another thing, that the ENAME hai, and it should be end with the letter A. So what I will do, I will just write like, I will write percent, that is word length may be any, 1, 2, 10, 100, whatever the length of the word. So for covering the word length we are giving the sign percentage, and the last word should be A. So I will write last word here followed by colon and then semicolon, and I will run this query. So you can find that I will get near about 4 or 5 names here which ends with the letter A. I am again running this query and I want to search some another pattern. You can see that here I have some names like Radhika, Ishika. Okay, so IK is some letters which are present in this name. So I want to search the names in which IK is present. So how can I will do? I can write percentage IKA colon then percentage. Means a word may be start from A to Z any letter, word may be end from A to Z any letter or of any length, but at least IKA must be present in between the word. So I will run this query. We will get 3 names. Now I want to check with some other phrases. So let us go to the temple EMP details, and you can see that one word like DA is in Vandana, Nandan is present in Nandan. Okay, so we have to check the word DA should be present. So for that I will write percentage DA, and then I will write percentage. Okay, and I will run this. So you will find that the two name Vandana and Nandan, which has having word DA between the percent sign, that in the word may be of any length, 1, 2, 10, 20, whatever the length of the word, it may be starting from or ending from any alphabet, but in a word the clause DA, the phrase DA is present. So this is what we have seen. Now I just go to another pattern. I just select the EMP, and you see that some letters having second number of word as A. So I want that second word, I have to search in eName all the names whose second letter of the word is A. So for that it is also simple. I just write colon underscore A, after that percent wildcard. Why we are using percent wildcard? That is, we have fixed the length. We are counting the length of word using underscore. So for underscore count for a one word, so I just write underscore. Then second word is A followed by percent. That is, word may be of any length, 10, 20, 2, 5 or any length, but it is counted by using percent sign followed by colon and then semicolon. So I will get all the details of E names who are having second letter as A. So this is what we have get it now. Now I just want that okay, I am okay that I have calculated the detail of all the E names. I have just search out the E names having second letter as A. But I want that this letter should be of 4 words. Here Vani is having 4 words. So how can I do it? I just write select star from EMP where E name like A, first letter is fixed, V is fixed, A's, and then underscore 3, 4. I don't want more than 4 letter words. Then we will press colon. You can see it again. I'm just doing it once again. Underscore A, 1 underscore, second underscore, colon, and then semicolon. Okay, and I will run this query. So what you find that the Vani is a letter, 4 letter words which have second letter as A and followed by 2 letters, that is 4 words, and we have used the like operator for that. That is, we are using underscore sign and no percentage sign here. So we have just count using underscore the length of the word. Then we have just put colon followed by semicolon. In this way we have used effectively like operator in order to search a specific pattern given in a particular column. So you see that what we have done, we first find the records with first character starting from R, find the record with last character A, find the record in eName which have letter D and IKA, find the record with second letter A, and find the record when second letter is A and length of word is 4. So I hope so you are understanding how we are using SQL operator, like operator. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.